When your organization is managing dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of credentials across systems, devices, and users, you need more than just a password manager. You need an enterprise solution that handles access, sharing, audit trails, and compliance. Two of the top options in that space right now are Dashlane and Keeper Security. They both aim to secure credentials and simplify management, but they approach the task differently. Let's begin with Dashlane. At its core, Dashlane has built up from user-level password management into an enterprise-ready platform. On the business side, it offers an encrypted vault for employees, secure sharing of passwords and secure notes, admin controls, SSO and SCIM integrations, and phishing protection. Dashlane +1. The idea is to give employees an easy and secure way to store and share credentials, while giving IT and security teams oversight, policy enforcement, and monitoring. One of the key strengths is ease of use. From non-technical users, Dashlane works like the familiar consumer version, but wrapped in enterprise controls. That makes it appealing for organizations looking for low-friction adoption. On the other hand, while Dashlane covers the essentials well, some enterprise-specific depth, especially across very large or complex environments, may require additional considerations. Now let's look at Keeper Security. Keeper positions itself as a full enterprise password management and credential security platform built for zero trust, zero knowledge architecture. Keeper Password Manager and Digital Vault +1. It supports granular role-based access control, attribute-based access control, robust audit logging, and compliance frameworks like ISO 27001, SOC2, FedRAMP, and more. docs.keeper.io/1. Keeper also accommodates not just passwords, but secrets management, privileged credentials, SSH keys, API keys, sharing across teams and contractors, and integrations with major identity providers and SIEM systems. What that means is, if your organization has complex identity and credentials requirements, Keeper offers the depth and flexibility. The trade-off is that initial setup and configuration may require more time, and the user experience may need more training compared to simpler solutions. If your enterprise needs a strong, user-friendly password and credential solution that will improve security quickly and is easier to roll out, Dashlane is an excellent choice. If your security team requires the most rigorous controls, auditability, secrets management, and enterprise-grade architecture, Keeper Security is likely the better fit. Whichever you pick, moving away from unmanaged spreadsheets and sticky notes toward a full enterprise credential platform is a smart step for any organization. If you like, I can prepare a feature-by-feature comparison chart covering encryption architecture, device platform support, privileged credential management, audit compliance features, pricing tiers between Dashlane and Keeper Security so you can more easily evaluate which aligns with your enterprise needs. Would you like me to create that?